I'm so sorry if I let you down this year by not having a Vlogmas intro. I hope that you can forgive me. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. There's no ideas that I liked. Yeah, that looks so much better. Good morning, Ween. Are we fixing up the house? Dad, can we hang this guy? Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 24, aka Christmas Eve. This month flew by. I don't know how, but it did. Merry Christmas Eve. If you didn't see yesterday's vlog, Ash and I came out to our parents' new house last night, and today's plans is kind of to decorate and fix up the house. They just moved, if you didn't see that vlog too. I'm like shouting out all the past vlogs. Go just binge watch both of mine and Ashley's Vlogmas. They recently moved and we have a lot of random stuff that we've been wanting to do. I got these rugs for them and they look great. We had the tree in here, but low-key it didn't fit. So Ashley was like, let's move it. So we ended up moving it here. Look at this little peanut. Her knuckle. Do you want anything from Starbucks? And can I take your car?
Yes, to both.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Just text me.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get stuff for all of us.
You know what sounds good is the thing when you're sick.
A medicine ball?
Yeah.
They're so good, right?
Yeah, it's kind of Christmas.
It's the change of plans. We're not taking my mom's car. We're taking my old car. Hold on. Oh shit, let me order real quick.
Hello, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you?
Hi, could I get a venti iced coffee? Some almond milk, but not too much, kind of like a splash.
Okay, anything else?
Yes, a medicine ball, venti.
Okay, anything else?
Yes, 1 second. So sorry. Just that for now, I'll come back around. I couldn't remember what Ashley wanted, and then when I called her, she didn't answer, so I felt so bad. I wonder if I can just order at the window. I wonder if they'll hate me. If you're a new viewer, you don't know how iconic this car is, but this was my first car. His name is Henry. He's a 2011 Nissan Sentra, and he was my first car for like ever, and except for last year when I got my new car, which is a stupid bougie car. Henry, well, like when I came in here, I smiled like a geek. I literally was like, oh my God, Henry. This baby commuted me from Riverside to LA for like all my shoots. So many memories. I ended up giving him to my parents because they needed a new car, and he still runs great. He has 92,000 miles on him. Comment below if you also name your car has a name, please. Comment below. Also, I ended up chopping off all my nails this morning because they were just bothering me. So that's why they look rough, and that's why they look like little nubs. Hi, good.
Oh my gosh, you're Alisha Marie.
Hi, I am. Nice to meet you. I hate to do this. Is it okay to add 2 more orders?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, could I get another medicine ball the same way?
Yeah, of course.
And then a triple shot of espresso with oat milk.
Yeah, of course.
I'm so sorry.
Like a venti cup?
Yeah, whatever works. Ashley didn't answer the phone in time, so I was like, oh my God. What's your name, Melissa?
Melissa.
So nice to meet you.
Thank
Merry Christmas.
And then here's the other drink.
Thank you so much. You too. Merry Christmas.
Alright, it was so nice meeting
You too. Bye, Melissa.
Bye.
We got the goods. She was the sweetest person ever. I should have asked for a drink carrier though, because I'm balancing this between my legs. Guys, this feels so weird to be like back in my hometown, driving my car. Still having my vlog camera fall because I'm such an idiot and don't use a tripod like ever. Coffee's here. Here's your tea. Okay, plan of attack. My dad just yelled at me for putting the camera on this. And I'm like, are you new to the videos? I'm always balancing my camera on random shit. This was an early Christmas present to the parents. I got them this mirror. Look at you, how cute are you? Just chilling there. Kiss. I found this at Home Goods and I loved it because it's $79. It was like 80 bucks, but a mirror this size from West Elm would literally be like $400. So we love. I'm picturing it just right here. And then I have an old bench. If you guys remember, this bench was actually from my bedroom. This used to be my bedroom. We ended up giving it to my parents also, and I feel like it'd look really cute underneath the mirror. So I feel like that here, that bench underneath, shoes can kind of go underneath also. Also, we're currently switching out the TVs down here, so that's what we are currently doing right now. My fucking hair, I just brushed it and put dry shampoo. I did not do anything else to it yet. Also, peep the Parallel Apparel two-way zip top, available in black and mocha. Also, I thought I was done with my Christmas wrapping. Yeah, I totally lied to you guys in yesterday's vlog because I still have a little bit more to do, but they're small. Also, TK, you're probably not watching this, but if you are, your present was just delivered. I had it delivered here because I wanted to make sure I had it in time. And all I'm gonna say is you're gonna fucking love it. Also, the tree looks so much better in here. This was our tree a few years ago before we got the one we have right now. It just fits so much better in this room. But I feel like the house is finally coming along. Okay, the time has come. Shit. The time has come for us to figure out how to open this because it is bolted, I believe, in. This is so interesting. They just screwed it onto the mirror. Okay, watch out, Chloe. Lower, Dad. Lower. There. You like that, Ash? Or is that too tall?
Once I pop a hole in there, we're done.
I know. Nice. Wait, oh my god, Mom, it looks so good. Oh, shit. Yay! Update. Oh my god, I have so much shit in my teeth. That's a little embarrassing. I think it was actually there all night. So it is currently 11:46 p.m. Christmas Eve. I'm gonna get ready for bed because I'm so exhausted, but I'm very excited to wake up and have Christmas with my family and stuff. Technically, today is the last day of Vlogmas. The whole challenge is vlogging every day until Christmas. I am gonna vlog tomorrow because I feel like it's just like, I don't know, it's just a special time and usually I vlog on those days. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do for that intro. I don't know if I'm gonna have I don't know what I'm gonna do. But technically, right now is the end of Vlogmas 2021, which is insane. I'm very excited to take a break. I'm not gonna lie. But I am gonna vlog tomorrow. I'm gonna vlog a little bit like after Christmas, but in the new year, I'm definitely gonna be taking a very large break. I'm so excited for it. I'm excited to like read and hopefully not work, not be on my phone. But yeah, I really just wanted to say thank you guys so much for spending this entire month with me. Literally, I can't believe how fast it went by. Also, there were a few intros that I kind of had to like change last minute. So there's actually a handful that we filmed and didn't get to use / didn't finish filming. So my perfectionist self, there was one that I think you guys caught was a late add-on. That was me having Remy's intro, and like you can kind of tell, go rewatch it, you can kind of tell from the intro like it's a voiceover. I cringed so much putting that one up because I was like, like it's so obvious to me that it's not whatever. And then we had a few other guest cameo ones that didn't work out scheduling wise. Honestly, so glad with how everything turned out, like genuinely. Oh my god, also Lexi actually drove out this evening and she brought Clover, and she wasn't gonna go home for this Christmas, so she's staying with us, and I am loving having so many dogs, so you will see her tomorrow also. Look who it is! It's your first Christmas, Chloe. Oh, I can't wait for tomorrow. Ash, we really should change our lighting in our house because this looks great.
It's the recess lightings.
It's like more daylight. Yeah. Come on, ladies. Let's go. Come on, let's go night-night. Who, me? Oh, sorry, bro. Hey, you stole my slippers. I was wondering where they went. Okay, well, makeup is off. Skincare routine is done. I love you all so much. Merry Christmas, and I will see you tomorrow. Mwah!